All right. Is that the page with 67 and 68?
It is, yes. 67 through 78 on the front, and then we're going to be working with 79 through 90 on the back today. Okay. So what we're going to do today is work with the parent functions that we talked about yesterday and the transformations. And I'm going to put you in groups. That's why you have a card. So I'm going to put you in groups, and I'm going to get you to match up these graphs to some equations, some transformations, the parent function, all of those things. Okay, so we'll be working with these graphs right here. And I have these graphs on a card as well. Okay, but before we get started, I want you to look at your card. So look at your card first. Why don't we get in our groups first? Okay, and let's put our aces, because I don't have a number 1. You know, when I work with cards, you don't have a number 1. So our aces are our number 1s. All right. So let's go number 1s up here in the front. So bring your stuff with you. Bring your decks with you. All right. So let's put aces right there. All right. Let's put. Did you put the aces? I know I'm the clear of the shots. Sorry. Let's put number 5 right there. And number 7. Let's put over here. Let's put 7 right there. All right. So as I call your number, look on your card. See what number you are. Let's put 6s back here. Going through 3s. Number 3s. Right here? Oh, perfect. Okay, we'll just put y'all together right there. All right, 2s, let's put right back here. And 4s, let's put over here. So you should only have 2 people. All right. Here's 4s right here. Okay, so 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. And then 5, 6, 7s over here. Okay, 7. Good. Who's the 7? 7. There we go. Very good. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is if you are a 1, I want y'all to come up here and draw, use a different color, draw the parent function of a line. We didn't do that one yesterday, but think about what you know about a line. Okay, if you're a 2, come draw x squared for me. If you're a 3, come draw my absolute value. Okay, 4, x cubed, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so come draw for me. You can come together, you can send one person, use a different color, and draw your parent function. Draw your parent function for me. Let's see. Are you a 7? Are you a 7? Yeah, come over here. Yeah, there should just be 2 people. There we go. There we go. There. Now we can work right here together. There we go. Awesome. 2 people in a group. Draw your parent function graph. Oh, good. Y'all got the X on there. Good. Very good. Okay, so use that to kind of help you with this activity. All right, so grab the yellow pieces of paper out of your baggie. Get somewhere where you can work. You may want to like put 2 desks together or something like that. Okay, get somewhere where you can work. And start by lining up the ones that match your worksheet. Okay, so start by lining up the ones that say 79, 80, 81, so that you just have them in order. And then start matching the equation, the transformation, the parent function. You match it all up to what you have here. Mine is page 6 of the homework last night. It's the very last page that I looked at. Yeah, that one right there. Yes. Okay, you're missing 2 on there. That's okay. Okay, I've got the key, so I'll come check on you.
Square root.
Okay.
That would reflect, so it has to be a negative.
This one's gonna be this one.
Oh, last
Wait, yeah.
Hi. This one is cubed root, but we don't have any more cubed roots.
And then
It might be just that. With the words, it's
Well,
Is that one together?
when this one be another? What'd you get for your parent? Tell me a letter.
It could be.
What'd you get for your parent?
Because it has to be
Well,
down.
it should be matches.
Be down.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can do the square.
Let's
Yeah,
go over the
so-
Y.
So 81, good, 81. Good, okay. Work.
Very close to your device.
Good. Double, good, okay, all right, 82. Good. Good. Good.
Because instead of, you know, it was just that's what's happening.
Yes.
Plus the S, yeah, it's gonna be outside of the parentheses again. Good. Good. Vertical stretch by two, the parentheses.
Down.
Good. Good. 87.
Oh, yeah, I guess.
Reflect over that
Yeah,
end.
you know, plan
Go.
some
Good.
vertical stretch.
So now you'll be writing that.
Let's find the one
Good
six.
job, yay. Okay, so now I'll write those answers on your worksheet for your homework. Yeah, yeah, good.
You what?
Good job. Good, and then, yeah, great. All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to call my number. Start with 79. I have to tell me what your letter on it. Everybody gets one, okay, so you can work with your buddy. Your pieces don't necessarily go together, okay, so you'll have different pieces. All right, you can work with your buddy. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Go up there and decide which graph this matches. They're all parabolas, okay? Go up there and figure out which graph it matches, but don't put it up there yet. Okay, I'm going to get you to go up and tell us what it is in just a second, okay? So we've got kind of some extra ones here. Up there I highlighted the X and the Y axis so you can see it a little bit better, okay? All right, so work with your buddy. See if you can figure out where yours belongs. Yes.
It would clash with the camera.
Wait, what is it?
Cards.
It would be like smart looking word and
Okay. No. So just go up here and decide. Let me move my parabolas around. Hang on 1 second. So go up there and decide which one you think this is going to go with.
Yeah.
Okay, decide which one you think this is going to go with. Not on that. Hang on. It's on these blue ones over here.
Oh.
Sorry. Your hand's full there.
I was gonna say it.
Thank you,
All right. Come take a look at the parabolas. Kind of like a gallery walk here. All right. Come see what you think. Okay, don't put them up here yet. Just think about which one matches. Decide which one yours matches. I highlighted the X and the Y axis so you can see it a little better.
Don't put it up there.
Don't put it up there yet.
Oh my god.
Those are done on Desmos. Every one box is like a half.
Okay, yeah, I have no rebuttal.
Think about it. Talk to your buddy and decide.
That's 3.
Just like a scale on
That's a half. So that's made it like that.
So it's this.
Yes. That's right. Okay, so left 3 down.
I know, my whole desk is covered in this.
Are we done?
Okay, left 3 down 1. This is 2 and this is 4. Each little box is a half on these. This is, I made them with Desmos. Each little box is a half. Yeah, sorry about that. That was the drawing issue. Yeah. Good. Good? All right, so where are my group that were my ones or my aces? Who have we got? Here are my aces. That's y'all? All right. So go up there and put your magnet next to the parent function that it goes with and tell us why it goes there. So go, I'm sorry, go, no, next to the blue.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, y'all went together. That's funny. All right, okay, so tell us why it went there. What happened to your graph on that one?
Well, it just went left 2 and down 2, so it just got added in the middle in the parentheses and subtracted on the outside.
Perfect, great job. Okay, very good, very good. All right, how about my 2's? My 2's.
Oh no, where's my, oh here.
Where did I go? All right, go put y'all's up there. They're not necessarily together.
Oh, 2's? You mean like, oh, okay.
Yeah, put it by the one.
What?
Were y'all's together too?
Yes.
Luck of the
Okay.
draw.
All right, why are those right? What have you got?
It has a -3 inside the parentheses,
Good,
so we know that it's right 3 and the graph shows that as well.
good.
And then right here it says +1 outside of the parentheses. We know so it's up 1 because the positive is up.
Perfect. Great job. Very good. Good. All right, you're my 3's. Were y'all together?
I don't think so.
Okay. It wasn't intended to be that way. Good. Okay. All right. So Megan, tell us what yours had.
It goes down 1 and then left 3.
Good. Okay. Good. So that's what your graph looks like. Good. Okay, Randy, what have you got?
It's a vertical stretch by 2, and then it goes to the right 4 and up 2.
Good. Okay, good. So you had the transformation words. Awesome. Good job. Very good. All right, 4's? 4 people? Not 4 people, but 2 people that are 4's.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Riley, tell us what you got there.
Mine was vertically compressed
Listen,
by
listen, listen.
1/2, and then it went left 3, down 1.
Good. Okay, and Becca?
Mine was vertically compressed by 1/2, left 3 and up 1.
Perfect. Good. Okay. Very good. And that's what you have there on the graph. Great job. Good. Okay. Y'all were 4. 5's. 5's.
I'll do.
Okay. Good. All right, Sydney, how do you know that one went there?
It goes to the right 2, so be in the fourth quadrant and down 2 on the graph.
Good. Okay. I love she used a different word. Did you hear the word that she used?
Oh, it's wrong.
She used the word quadrant. I love that word. Okay, listen, listen. I love that word. Think about that as you do points. We're going to come back to that when we talk about trig a whole lot. We're going to talk about quadrant. So I love that you used that word quadrant. Good. Okay, so right 2 and down 2, is that what that says? Right 2 and down 2 would be in the fourth quadrant. Very good. Okay, and Ryan? Let's go.
Mine went left 3 and up 1.
Okay, all right, and you had the equation, right?
Yep.
Okay, so what was special about that equation that made it go to the left 3? What did you have on that equation? Yeah, good.
I mean, it's in the parentheses.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's in the parentheses. Good. That +3 go in the opposite direction. Good. Very good job. Good. All right, 6 is Price. Who ended up by himself because Jackson left. Sorry about that. Good. All right, which one's yours? Y'all listen. All right. What'd you have?
It went down 1 and then it went right 3 because it says -3 in the parentheses.
Perfect. Good. Yeah, good. That -3 in the parentheses. Good job. Go in opposite direction from what you would think. Good. All right. 7? Yes, 7's. Okay. All right. Mary, what you got?
Well, it went left 3, down 1, and then it had a vertical stretch by 2, so it got skinnier.
Good, that's right. Yeah, good. And again, teachers make this motion, right? Okay, because it makes your graph kind of go and get skinnier. Good. Okay, Owen, what you got?
Well, it had a vertical stretch by 2 and it shifted to the right 4 and went up 2. That's what the graph shows.
Good. Okay, awesome. Very good. Very good. All right. Is that all? Did I get it right? Okay. All right, great job. Okay, so make sure you get those written down on your worksheet before you leave today.